my name is Emily. We are going to be cooking up another little snack today. We are making no-bake s'mores chow. So follow along for the ingredients. I have gathered up all of our ingredients that we're going to be needing today. We need 1 cup of those mini marshmallows we were using earlier, a 1/3 cup of the white chocolate chips, a 1/2 cup of the regular milk chocolate chips, and some Golden Graham cereal. Make sure you also have a bowl and something to mix it with. We're going to go ahead and take our cup of mini marshmallows, pour those in, our cup of white chocolate chips, and our 1/2 cup of the milk chocolate chips. Then we're going to go ahead and get our Golden Grahams, and we're going to use 2 cups of these. So I'll go ahead and show you that. There's 1 cup, and there is 2 cups. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the 2nd cup in, and we are going to go. And there you have it. This was our 3-minute s'more snack.